We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Thinker statue by TagTech. This modern minimalist decor piece has captured the attention of many, and here's what people are saying about it. If you already own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. You can find the product link in the description to support the channel. The Thinker statue is designed to elevate any space with its sleek and minimalist aesthetic. Whether you're looking for a statement piece for your entryway table, TV stand, bookshelf, or office desk, this decor item fits seamlessly into a variety of settings. Its white finish and modern design make it a versatile addition to any home or office, blending well with contemporary, neutral, and even eclectic styles. Customers have noted that it works beautifully as a centerpiece for living room coffee tables, console tables, mantels, and even nightstands. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate Art Deco influences or Greek mythology-inspired designs. One of the standout features of this statue is its lightweight construction. Weighing just 10.4 ounces, it's easy to move around and reposition as needed. However, despite its light weight, the base is perfectly flat and stable, ensuring that it doesn't tip over easily. This makes it a practical choice for busy households or offices where durability and stability are important. Some users initially mistook its material for styrofoam due to its lightness, but were pleasantly surprised by its sturdy build quality. While the exact material isn't specified, it has been described as a well-crafted 3D print with a smooth yet slightly gritty texture that adds to its charm. The dimensions of the statue are 7.87 by 4.72 by 8.27 inches, making it an ideal size for various display areas without being too overpowering or too small to notice. Its compact yet impactful design allows it to stand out as a decorative accent while complementing other elements in the room. Customers have praised its size as being just right for creating visual interest without overwhelming the space. Many users have highlighted how this piece enhances their home or office decor with its understated elegance. It's particularly popular among those who enjoy modern farmhouse aesthetics or minimalist designs. The white finish adds a touch of sophistication and pairs well with other neutral tones or bold accent colors. Whether placed on a desk in a professional setting or used as part of a cozy bedroom arrangement, this statue exudes a sense of calm and creativity. Another aspect that customers appreciate is the statue's versatility. It's suitable for both men's and women's spaces, making it an excellent gift option for anyone who enjoys stylish decor. From man caves to chic office setups, this piece adapts effortlessly to different environments. It's also been noted as a great addition to themed decor setups like goth accessories or art-inspired collections. While most reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some customers mentioned that the texture might not appeal to everyone, as it retains some of the gritty feel typical of 3D printed items. However, this characteristic has also been described as adding authenticity and uniqueness to the piece. Additionally, because it's lightweight, it may not be suitable for outdoor use or areas with strong winds unless secured properly. Overall, the Thinker statue has impressed users with its combination of style, functionality, and quality craftsmanship. It's a standout piece that adds character and elegance to any room while remaining practical and easy to maintain. If you're looking for a modern decor item that makes a statement without being overly flashy, this statue is an excellent choice. Don't forget to check out the product link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this stylish decor piece. And if you already own one, please share your thoughts in the comments below to help others make an informed decision.